one of the main things that we sort of advocate for in the program is for students to get involved in extracurricular activities. So it is one thing to come to the classes and to do well, and certainly that's an important component of graduating successfully from the program. But the other key, really, and equally important, is to get involved in other activities. So you'll see that if you come into the program, that there's all kinds of opportunities to get involved in the law enforcement community, coming to guest speakers, getting involved with the organizations that we're closely associated to, and really sort of growing those professional networks. That's really extremely key, and that's the kind of thing that leads to employment down the road. In every single one of our courses, as much practical hands-on experience as possible. We make use of our simulation lab. We have a lot of specialized software that we use in computer labs, and we have physical security systems that teach students all about physical security. In terms of the sort of hands-on experiential learning that you get in the program, that's another thing that I think really differentiates us from other PSI programs. We really stress hands-on experiential learning. We have a course that's completely devoted to experiential learning. So you would be able to go into an interviewing room, for example, and practice interviewing, investigative interviewing techniques. You will be able to practice what it's like to actually conduct a civilian arrest as a loss prevention officer. You will get to practice what it's like to actually do physical surveillance as a private investigator. We have cutting edge, sort of gold standard software that we use in our computer labs that are used for intelligence analysis and mapping software for crime analysis. So all of those, I think, features make us unique. And we also have a couple of certifications that you get through the program. So one of the courses that you would take in the program is called Private Investigations. And through that course, you would get the certification that you need to become an actual licensed private investigator in the field and to be able to work coming straight out of the program. And we also offer a certification in cybersecurity as well. The other question, Rima, that you had, I think, was around sort of work placement. So in the PSI program, we don't have a placement program, but what we do have is a career mentorship program. So this is a program where you get to connect directly with a mentor in the field, spend some time developing and growing those professional connections, which, as I mentioned earlier, is really, really key to obtaining good employment when you come out of the program.